The DiffusePro floodlight, a sleek and compact solution for subtle, low brightness outdoor illumination. Perfect for highlighting single objects like statues, mailboxes, and urns, or softly lighting small gardens, retaining walls, and plants. To customize the lighting effect, the DiffusePro includes 3 lens options: frosted, clear, and linear, giving you full control over brightness and beam diffusion. Its compact size makes it ideal for discreet installations in trellises, rafters, and gazebos, with an optional surface mount for added versatility. Built with solid brass and a durable black powder coat finish, this fixture combines durability with a modern aesthetic. Featuring an adjustable, tool-less knuckle and a 4-foot lead wire, it's easy to install and aim precisely. Backed by a hassle-free lifetime warranty, the DiffusePro is a dependable and stylish choice for outdoor lighting projects.